3i Atlas just changed course again. The latest telemetry shows a precise curve in its trajectory, subtle, sharp, and impossible to explain. The object is no longer drifting harmlessly, it's moving with intent. 3i Atlas, the third known interstellar object ever detected, is now at the center of the most urgent global defense mobilization in history. Just days ago, the Deep Space Network in Canberra noticed a deviation. Madrid and Goldstone confirmed it within the hour. The trajectory is no longer passive. It's not a drift, it appears to be a maneuver. And the numbers are unraveling everything. Natural forces don't produce a change in motion like this. Not in space. Not at this speed. Now, every major spacefaring nation has confirmed the same thing. 3i Atlas looks as if it's steering toward Earth. Washington, Moscow, Beijing, and Brussels all activated quiet response protocols. Not war plans, yet, but readiness. The United States repositioned SBIRS early warning satellites to maintain a lock. Russia brought its Arctic Cold War radar grid back online for the first time in decades. China has initiated drills in the South China Sea, rerouting fleet groups to missile-ready status. The European Space Agency cut bandwidth to civilian programs and rerouted all signal traffic through approved lines only. The world is preparing for something it doesn't understand. As of this hour, 3i Atlas is roughly 318,000 miles from Earth, just outside lunar orbit. Its path shows no intention of stopping there. The course correction places it directly inside the Earth-Moon corridor. And if it makes one more shift, just one, it falls into our gravity well, then it won't pass. It'll stay. In secure briefings across 3 continents, military analysts begin using terms once considered fringe. Non-ballistic movement, energy expenditure unaccounted for, unknown control system. Whatever this is, it isn't random, and it didn't just drift closer, it made a course correction. NATO scrambled aerospace assets. India is currently conducting unscheduled missile tests over the Indian Ocean. Israel's Amos surveillance constellation has been repositioned without explanation. And inside every secure room, every radar station, and every satellite uplink, one object has priority. And that priority is 3i Atlas. Meanwhile, the global scientific community has gone nearly silent. The voices that do speak offer little agreement. Others point to ancient records. Sumerian tablets speak of stars that bend. Akkadian fragments mention watchers returning. Ugaritic paintings show a similar shaped object being worshipped. The Minor Planet Center retracted its public update, citing data anomalies. Requests for clarification are met with silence, and yesterday the White House cancelled all non-essential briefings for the rest of the week. No reason given, no reschedule posted. In NORAD's Colorado command bunker, live feeds are active across 3 continents. They are searching for signals. In Germany, a retired ESA engineer leaked an internal thread on Reddit that contained a startling single line. Velocity correction now matches low thrust trajectory profile. And at 2:46 a.m. UTC, every military satellite with infrared capability captured the same anomaly, a pulse originating from 3i Atlas. 1/10 of a second, then a pause, then another pulse. No one knows what it is or what it means, but it's enough to trip every warning system from Australia to Alaska. Enough to register as intentional. It's the first active signature anyone's ever seen from 3i Atlas, and it looks like a signal. No government has yet to make a formal statement, but their actions speak louder than any words. The US has moved interceptor systems into low orbit. France launched a satellite from Kourou under emergency authorization. Japan quietly extended its air defense identification zone into deep space tracking range. And in addition to missile testing, India deployed long-range drones across the region with no explanation beyond air quality testing. A senior defense official, off record, offered only this: it was never drifting. We believe it was listening. Now, every monitor in every military command center is locked to one track. The distance closes by the hour. Tactical uplinks are active. Evacuation drills are being rehearsed across 5 countries. The world is bracing. Every satellite is watching, every radar is tracking, and every missile system that can reach beyond orbit is being calibrated. Because if this thing turns again, if it corrects one more time, it won't be passing by. It'll be here. And if it comes here, what does it want? What do they want?